wake up. Ain't no basic bitch, watch how I take off. I ain't in the race, I see no competition. Ain't no jealous, so I love seeing bitches win. Damn, look how this track all sound. Ass clapping at the hookah spot. All I see is bad bitches in my section high. We off that Casamigos, all that fucking deli iron.
What's up, YouTube? So today I'm finna do a makeup tutorial. So we gonna start off with my brows. You know, gotta get them bitches together. You know, we doing a little natural look. Finna get them bitches together real quick. Yup. Next brow, doing the same thing, getting them bitches together. Making sure they not like, you know how they fucking look all thin and a little bit not like not really filled in. Make sure you fill them hoes in. You know what I'm saying? Brush them shits out, you know, make it look natural. Can't be rocking around with them big ass boxes. You know what I'm saying? So you put your concealer on, make sure them shits looking real good. Real good. Yo. Keep doing it. So it be really arched and stuff. You know, and make sure you got your right concealer shade so it can be like natural. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You see how it's looking like my skin? Like I'm basically putting my skin color on top of my skin. You know what I'm saying? You can't be doing too much. You gotta make it sure it be natural. Unless you're going for like a bold look. So yeah. So you blend it out. I'm blending it out with my beauty blender on both eyes. Make sure you blend it out. You don't want it to be too like not natural. You know, you gotta blend this shit out. Then we're gonna be going with that Huda Beauty setting powder. I think it's in honey. And we're gonna be baking them eyebrows, you know, so we can bake that concealer and make sure that shit stay on, you know, so it can look natural. That's my little trick. I don't know if y'all do it, but that's what I do. And then we finna go under eye. Oh no, not under eye. Tripping. Yep, the other eyebrow. That's like a lighter color that we going on top. I don't know. I be just trying different methods every time I do shit. You know what I'm saying? Every time I do my makeup, I be trying different methods a little bit. But this one, you know, I like sometimes just play as fuck up. You know, you see how I fucked up. Sometimes you gotta go in and fix it. You know, it's makeup. You can fix it easily. So yeah. So we finna keep blending that shit out. You know, it's making it look pop like it pop for real. Like it's not really not arch. You know, you see you see that arch. You see that arch. So now we finna go in with the primer. I think this, I don't know the brand, but we going with the primer and we finna rub that shit in. You know what I'm saying? I wash my hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you rub it in all in your face. And yeah, make sure you rub it all in your face. Get that shit moisturized. And yeah, my face was dry, so I had to go back in with a little bit more. So yeah. Then we're gonna go in this Fit Me foundation. It fit me. That's all I gotta say. We finna do this shit. Yeah. You see how I'm putting that shit in? And I'm using the same beauty blender. It's just like the same products in my skin. So it's just like it's all gonna go together anyway. So yeah. If you got a problem, deal with it. So we blend it all in. Just blending it in. Yep. Making sure it's all equal around your skin, all around it. Make sure it's just looking good. You know, looking natural, not too much, but not too less. You know what I'm saying? Just making sure it still look like your skin. Like you're not trying to do too much or you're not trying to overdo it. So yeah, put all this shit in there. Yeah, just going in and just blending it a little bit more because I love to make shit just look good, like perfect. Like I be just having to, if it's one little thing that's messed up, I have to go in and just keep going. So yeah, next we finna be going with this MAC foundation powder, and we finna just blend it all and put it all in my face with the same beauty blender. because it's the same foundation, same everything. So it's going to all tie in together. So, yeah, I'm blending it all in. You see how it's making it look better, more matte. Yeah, so we going in with this concealer. I'm doing that. It's like one that's closer to my skin color. That's what I'm using right now. And then I use a lighter color so it can make it pop. And you see, I put a little bit of the lighter concealer on a beauty blender, and I'm blending it as well, And then on that part, I blend up. I make sure I blend up because I want it to, my face structure to look like it's popping, going up, as you can see. So yeah, it's like a lighter shade of the concealer, but it look good, but make sure you still have your shade, your regular shade of concealer, but just have like a couple of shades lighter so it can pop, so it can have that look, that it girl look, that natural. Yeah. So we blending it out. Keep blending. Now we're finna go in this nose. Like, yeah, I really have to trust the process with this shit. And some of the brushes that I be using is not the right brushes, but it's, I'm gonna get some brushes, more brushes. But sometimes you gotta use what you got. So you gotta really trust the process. Like, really trust the process with the shit. Because at first I thought I fucked up with my nose, and then it was actually looking good. So you actually just got to blend that shit out and keep blending it out because it look a little mess. Then I go with a darker one, like going towards up of my, to my eye, and I blend it out. This the part I really thought I fucked up. But I kept blending it, and then I just used my beauty blender to, not make it look so harsh. And then it started looking like my fucking nose was snatched as fuck, bitch. Look at that shit. My shit was snatched. So I had to do my contour. I used the Fit Me in a darker shade concealer. That's a concealer, yup. So I'm using that for my fucking contour, bitch. And I'm blending it out with the same beauty blender. Yes, bitch. Same one. Because it's all going to blend together. So y'all see how that made my cheeks pop. You see how that made my cheeks pop. That shit made my cheeks pop, for real, dead ass, yeah. It made me look like bronze, it brought it out. That's why you really gotta trust the process. So I'm going up on my upper lip, and I'm using a lighter shade first, and then I go with my regular concealer shade, and I put that on top so it can blend and then mix a little bit, so it's not too light, but it's not too dark. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and you see how it blend in with my skin a little bit, blend in with the look, what I was going for. So I'm doing the same thing on my chin, make them pop. Duh. Yep. And I'm blending it out. Blend. Using some setting spray. Blend. To not make it look so harsh. To blend with, and I'm blending up, so it can go up with the rest of the face. It blend all together. You gotta blend it all together. Yep. And you see them cheekbones. Yeah. And you see that eye. You see that under eye when I turn. Yeah. So we going in with this bronzer. It's so good. I had this for Hellas. I don't know where I got it from. But it works so good. And I'm finna just fucking amp it a little bit up, Then I go in with the setting powder, the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I put it under my eye. Yep. Making sure that shit good. Make sure you use that shit because you want it to set. You want it to look good in the camera. You don't want it to look too much. So then you blend it out. You use a brush to just blend it out. Blend it all out to make it come all together and not look too much. And you don't want it to look ashy. You don't want your makeup to look ashy. So I'm going with that Anastasia blush. And I'm using like an angled brush to put my blush on. I love blush. Yep, it just make it pop, like everything pop like together. Yep, with the contour, it just make everything just, yeah. Then I put it on my nose because I like that look. And then I'm going with the Fenty Beauty highlight. At first, I was like, damn, I put a little bit too much highlight. But then I was just trying to go for like that look, like, you know. So I'm putting on my upper lip, on my nose, everything, like my face, my chin, on the top of my forehead, everywhere. And then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with the same brush that I was using to blend the setting powder, and just blend it out to make it just look natural. And then I went again with another setting powder that I was just trying different shit that I got in my hand. It's like called Revolution setting powder, and I'm just going in it, and it was like it gave like more so like a shiny look. And so I'm just going in to clean it up with it. And yeah, at first I'm like, shit, did I fucked up? But then it was like it was actually giving, like it was giving that look that I was wanting to give. Like it just cleaned it up like what I wanted. So I'm just blending it out a little bit more because it was just a little bit more too harsh. I want it to be a little bit more natural. And if that's the case, that's why you gotta trust the process. Yeah. You see me looking, I'm like, yeah, because I was thinking I was fucking up. But the whole time I was good. So now we're going in with this Morphe palette. And then we're using this shade to just go in with my eye. On my eye. As you can see, I'm using like a natural color. It's like giving natural, bitch. It's giving like, It's giving, yeah. It's giving that. It's giving real bad, yeah. So I'm going in with a little darker color on the inside of my eyelid. Just to give it that just more natural blend. Like, I don't know. Like, I was just really going for a natural look. And when I do my eyeshadow, I really just be winging it. I just be doing shit. Like, just picking shit. Using different colors. But you see that cheek? You see that cheek line, bitch? Yeah. It's looking good. So I'm just going in a little bit with more colors. Like, I don't even know which ones I was picking. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, I went in, like, with a lighter glitter, like, on, like, the inside of my lid a little bit. Like, so it can just pop and just go, like, not so dull, but bring brightness. So I'm using a darker shade in my eye palette for my lip liner, and it's really cute. Like, you can use everything to go with your makeup. It don't have to be a lip liner for you, to get that look. You can use eyeshadow too. So I'm setting my face with the setting spray. Yeah, and I'm like, yep, I'm looking good. I'm looking fire. Like, bitch, what? Like, look at the eyes just popping. Look at the face. Look at the cheekbones. It go with my face. Like, I'm looking good. I'm feeling myself. Look at the blush. Like, look at everything. Like, so then I ain't even wear lashes. So I'm going in with this mascara. Yep, we putting this mascara on. Finna get this shit together. Yeah. Looking fire. Just wanted to show y'all a close up. Yep. Under eye. Yep. Just look at me, bitch. Look at me. Looking scrum delicious. Like, the fuck? Bitch, your nigga wanna look at ass. Let me stop. But, yeah, I'm looking all good, delicious, and I was ready to shoot my trailers. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.
Real boss bitch, don't gotta talk shit.